So hello everyone, this is the technical demonstration or the technical overview of dashboard. So you can see this is the dashboard in which I've used the sidebar, the top bar and the main content area. In this we have different uh, different sections, or you can say different routes for different contents, for showing different contents like profile. For managing profile, user can manage the profile in this, uh, for showing all the bookings related information and the blogs related information or the blogs they have created. This is the main dashboard in which I can show the statistics or the number of sessions or the number of bookings, whatever we want to show here. The basic information or the statistics related information, I can show it here. So right now I'm showing two information. Number one is sessions, like total sessions created and the total number of bookings I have accepted. So this person, which is John Wick, has created one session and one booking is added to his account. So somebody has booked his session, so one person has booked his session. So this information is generally coming from the database or from the backend. I'm performing the count logic by using sequelize, and then I'm sending that to this particular user, for this particular user basically. And this dashboard is responsive in nature. You can see we have a responsive menu bar here. So this is the top menu bar, and this one is our you can say this is our dashboard related menu. So this was our top menu and this was the side nav, you can say. So I have used a normal drawer for that, so for showing all the information or all the side nav links I'm using the drawer for that. We can click outside and that drawer will be hidden. So I'm using material UI for showing that drawer, and all these things are here. Now after that, in the profile section, the user can manage his profile and all these things will be updated. So by default I'm fetching all the details from the database and then I'm showing that to here. So all these things, the person can update the things and remove the things he want to change. All the CRUD operations he can perform in here for his profile. So basically he can update his email, phone number, password. In the settings I'm accepting the time zone, like in which time zone he works, so to correctly show the dates as well, and for in which currency I have to show his sessions pricing, right? So all these things I'm collecting here in his profile. You can update his images, and for uploading images I'm using AWS for that. AWS is storing all these information in a bucket, right? So AWS S3 specifically I'm using. So in that I'm storing all these uploads, like image related uploads of video related uploads. I'm storing that in Amazon S3. Now in this we have this username section, which is kind of a unique. You can see we have this Coderscolab.com. So I'm dynamically generating a separate his a separate page for showing his profile. Let me just show you that. So this is his profile page. So this will be automatically created with the help of React router. So I'm with the help of React router I'm fetching his details in a separate page. So you can say this is a separate profile page for this user. In that I'm showing his skills, the sessions he has created, so anybody can view his profile. So basically this is a profile page which will be dynamically created. We don't have to add anything here. It will be dynamically created for each user. So if suppose he changes the username, by the way we cannot add spaces here, it will not accept that, and we can change the username as well, then this username will also be updated. So it will automatically be updated and his information will be just like now it is. So there will not be any changes in that. so he can easily change his username if he wants to. And then we have these other information which I'm collecting, so he can update that as well. So this was a profiling page. I hope you got something. In the next video we'll be discussing the technical details, and this is the button by which we can update all the changes. So this is it. Thank you for watching.